Hi everyone, I'm a mother of two and a busy professional who hates reading instruction manuals more than I hate stains on my carpet. Today, I'm reviewing the Bissell Revolution Hydrosteam Deluxe, a carpet and upholstery cleaner that promises steam power and a complete cleaning kit. If, like me, you're constantly fighting stains and chasing efficiency, let's see if this machine can keep up. Just so you know, this review is only for carpet today. We'll do upholstery another day. Out of the box, we have the main cleaner, a number of solutions, which is nice because you get to try different types, the hoses and tools for the carpet and upholstery. The solution smells pleasant and seems ready to go. Setup was straightforward, but I don't love reading manuals. So I had a little hiccup and found myself in a wrestling match with the device. It fought back a bit, I'll admit. Lots of grunts and dramatic maneuvers on my end. Yet the cleaner held up, proving it's built for folks like me who skip the instruction manual. Let's take a quick look at what happened. I skipped the initial step of ensuring the clean tank was properly seated on the upper body. The misalignment prevented the water tank from sitting correctly, and so the tank wouldn't lock into place properly. Now, when I inserted the handle, there was a gripper that held it tightly in place. And you can hear me grunt here trying to get the handle out. After fiddling with it for a bit, I found an opening on the quick release cord wrap. You'll see me demonstrate how to release it either with a finger or a pencil to push and detach the handle from the device. Did I screw it up? Oh my gosh, no. Okay, so you can literally pull this out and there's a valve here. They should put that somewhere. I could not read the instructions. Oh my god, I'm an idiot. Oh my god, I'm an idiot. I hope it didn't fix it. Just so you know, this troubleshooting step isn't covered in the manual, or at least I didn't see it. But it's good to know, thanks to my inability to read manuals. Here's the container with measurements marked on the side for quick reference. You can see the recommended amount of cleaning solution to add to the water, which I find helpful. Today, I'm tackling the master bedroom on the first floor, a high traffic area with a connected bathroom. The carpets are in rough shape, and the white stains are toothpaste. Let's see how this machine holds up. Aside from the earlier wrestling match, setup felt straightforward. The unit is light, almost vacuum cleaner light, much easier to handle than my previous carpet cleaner. Using the steam and water mode, it produces ample steam to loosen grime and stains. I typically hire professional steam cleaners twice a year, which drew me to this purchase because that can become awfully expensive. I have a Shark steamer for spot cleaning, which I love, but I wanted a model with a larger surface area to cover bigger areas more efficiently. The dirt this machine has pulled out so far is astounding. Just look at this. I can't believe this is our carpet. Some stains required more aggressive washing, and I used the steam feature on its own for a few stains. I really like the combination of steam and cleaning solution. The duo cleans a lot of the stains more effectively. Overall, the cleaning experience was straightforward. Typically, my husband helps with these tasks, but today I didn't need his help. The only downside to this device is the small tank, in my opinion. The fresh water tank and the dirty water tank are about the same size, so I had to empty and refill them frequently throughout. Here's the dry after result. You can see some yellow staining that remains. This is often typical with carpet cleaners and cleaning solutions, even when professional services are involved. Overall, this model did a great job, thanks to the combination of steam and solution. This is a solid pick if you want a user-friendly carpet cleaner with a real steam boost. If you don't mind periodic refills for larger jobs, the lighter weight is a plus. No one wants to haul a Hulk around. It's excellent for refreshing between professional cleanings or quick touch-ups and spill pickups. Some stains stuck around after a few washes, but they've toned down a lot. They were slime stains, of course. Mom life reality, you know exactly what I'm talking about and how it's so difficult to remove them. After wrestling with this device and not breaking it down, despite all that force, I'm keeping this machine and would recommend it. It's effective, efficient, easy to use, and my favorite feature is how lightweight it is. A quick reminder, this video is not affiliated with any organization or the company itself. I purchased this from Costco with my own hard-earned money. As a busy mom and working professional, I rely on real reviews from people like you. My goal is to help other moms and working moms who juggle a million things make smarter and more affordable buying decisions for their homes. This is my very first video, and I hope to make many more as we navigate the chaos of life, inflation, tariffs, and so forth and so on. Things fall apart sometimes. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.